to vapor and released to the atmosphere. Much of the water taken up by the plants is released through transpiration. It is difficult to separate the processes of evaporation and transpiration. So this transfer of water is sometimes simply called evapotranspiration. Transpiration is mainly of three types: cuticular transpiration, lenticular transpiration, and stomatal transpiration. Cutin is a wax-like substance which reduces loss of water. It forms a thin or thick layer on the epidermis of leaves and herbaceous stems. This layer is called cuticle. The cuticle retards the loss of water but is not strictly impervious to water. About 8 to 10% of water loss occurs through cuticle by simple diffusion. This is known as cuticular transpiration. Lenticels are fine pores present on the older parts of plants. They are present in the bark of old stems and pericarps of woody fruits. They are made up of loosely arranged cells. About 0.1 to 1% of the total water loss in the form of water vapor occurs through lenticels, and it is called lenticular transpiration. Stomatal transpiration occurs through minute pores called stomata present in epidermis of young stem and leaves. About 80 to 90% of the total water loss takes place through stomatal pores. Stomatal transpiration occurs only during daytime when stomata are open. Transverse section of leaf shows an upper epidermis and lower epidermis. The mesophyll tissue is differentiated into pallicate and spongy types. The pallicate tissue is present below the upper epidermis while the spongy tissue is present near lower epidermis. Many small openings called stomata are present usually in lower epidermis. These stomata connect the intercellular spaces between the spongy tissue to the atmosphere. The xylem conducts water absorbed by roots to the leaves. From xylem, the water enters into mesophyll cells. Water gets evaporated from turgid mesophyll cells and accumulates in the intercellular spaces. Through stomata, water vapors diffuse into the atmosphere. The amount of water that plants transpire varies greatly geographically and over time. There are a number of factors that determine transpiration rates.